a real pleasure to work with the Future Architecture Platform cohort again as well, and also to have a bit more knowledge shed on the Gulbenkian work with Iraq and how architecture can positively affect places of urban conflict.
The main goal is to give and receive back, and we are able now to integrate what they bring to us.
What I bring home from this event is the notion that there is more to architecture than just the built environment.
It's not just to build architecture, but rather read it, write it, present it, and hear it.
There's more to a building that meets the eye. I also take home the promise to keep working with some of the great people I've met here.